Getting your shot.
It's okay.
Hey, Stephen.
Yeah.
And Mark joins us now, too, as well, to talk about a forecast which, although warming up, could get a little moist for some people.
We're due for some rain, and we need it after yesterday's fires. Yesterday had a beautiful blue sky, and then later into the morning you could see this haze of smoke that was drifting from some of the fires across the area. That will not be as much of a problem this weekend. Here's a look at our bus stop forecast. Starting out this morning, mostly cloudy, 54 degrees. Not really looking at much in the way of rain. That rain chance will, though, start to increase as we have a little wave pass through, a little ripple in the atmosphere, and that will help to kick off a few showers later into the afternoon. So it's looking like some spots will be dealing with a little bit of rain when the kids get off the bus. Temperatures, though, range anywhere from 52 now in Tuscaloosa to 41 in Gadsden. So a pretty decent trend, or at least a broader trend, from temperatures in northeast Alabama back down 2059. And that contrast is thanks to some of that colder air that's been hanging on in northeast Alabama. As you've heard me talk about so many different times, a little bit of wedging where that cold air gets stuck. Across Alabama, not much happening yet, but out to the west, showers beginning to really get cranked up. And even to the south, decent funnel of moisture will continue to help bring moisture at the lower levels down where we are. Over the past couple of days, our dew points were in the single digits and teens, and that really helps to, it's actually a good fuel for these fires as they continue to burn. But now that we're getting a little more moisture in here, that will make it a little more difficult for the fires to spread quite as quickly. You can see across our area, not much going on yet, but a couple of stray sprinkles showing up on radar. What that means is most of that is elevated. It's virga. It's not reaching the ground. It evaporates, but it's starting to get the atmosphere a little more prepared for some rain. Cloud cover pretty thick across the southeast this morning, and get used to that. That will be the trend through our day today and tomorrow and into Sunday. Here's the rain chance throughout our morning into the early afternoon. By 3 o'clock, a number of us looking at light showers, enough to get roads a little slippery, and the rain chance quickly moves out. The next rain chance we have will be out ahead of a cold front. But you see all the cloud cover moving from south to north? That's actually a healthy batch of moisture, which will prepare the atmosphere for a more substantial shot at some rain. Saturday evening, maybe a couple of sprinkles popping up, but then into Sunday, that rain chance really starts to get cranked up, especially later into the day into Sunday night. And rainfall totals will be a little more significant, anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Here's your extended forecast, including the weekend. College football should be fine, maybe an isolated sprinkle in Starkville or Auburn. Otherwise, rain into late Sunday, Sunday night, clearing out and turning cooler into next week.